Hey everyone! If you're struggling with Warzone 3 crashing on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you some quick and effective ways to fix this issue, so make sure you watch until the end. The first thing you want to do is verify your game files. If you're on Steam, go to your library, right-click on Call of Duty, Warzone 3, and select Properties. Then head over to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check all your game folders and make sure nothing is corrupt. Depending on your system, it might take a few minutes, so be patient. Next, most crashes happen because of outdated drivers. Open GeForce Experience or your GPU software, go to the driver section and check if there's a new update available. If there is, download and install it, then restart your PC. Keeping your drivers up to date can prevent most crashes. If the game still crashes, it might be a compatibility issue. Go back to Steam, right-click on Warzone 3 and select Open File Location. Then right-click the game executable, go to Properties, and under Compatibility, make sure you run the program in Windows 8 mode, disable full screen optimizations, and run as administrator. And that's it. Following these steps should stop Warzone 3 from crashing and get you back into the action. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my future gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.